This is the notes on the piano video for Ding Dong. And remembering that we've had G before, right? So G is this one right here, which is between, if we have our 3-note group right here, it's between the first two. Do you see that right here? Okay, so if you need to review, maybe practice finding some other G's on your piano. Okay, the other way to remember is, remember E was the first one we learned, and that one is right here just above the 2-note group. And so then G is just a skip up from E, like this. So remember, following the alphabet E, F, G. That's another way we can find G. So 3 ways. Probably the quickest way is just to remember that it's right here in the 3-note group between these two black keys. All right, and the only other note we have in this piece is A, which is right above G, right here. Okay. And now that we know where A is, we also know where the rest of the notes are because we just say the alphabet, right? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Repeat. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So I think you get the point. So the notes just repeat all the way up and down. Okay, so A is going to be between the top 2 notes of the 3-note black key group. Okay. Another thing to notice is that, do you see how these notes are right next to each other on the staff? So we have the second line right here, G, and then the space right above that, so it can't get any closer, is the A, okay? So it's just like that here on the piano, where the notes are right next to each other, just like we see them on the staff. And of course, there is this black key in between them, and we're going to be talking about that a little bit later, okay? But for now, just know that since they're right next to each other here, they're also next to each other here and vice versa, okay? Okay, so yeah, those are our only 2 notes on the piano. Remember, G and A, those are the only ones we use for this piece.